Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Tech Needy. Are you bored with the default Windows cursor? Today I'll show you how to change it to a macOS cursor or any other custom cursor of your choice. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Versus Themes. Click on the first link and search for macOS cursor or any cursor you want. Now, make sure it is from Elementary, the one with over 60K views. Click on Download File. Download to PC. Once the download is complete, click on the file icon. Right-click on the macOS.zip file and extract it using win+r. Now open the extracted folder, macOS Cursors for Windows. Right-click on install.inf, click Install, and grant the necessary permissions. To apply the cursor, open Settings. Go to Personalization, then Themes. Mouse cursor. Another way to do this is by press Windows R and type main.cpl. And hitting Enter. From there, go to the Pointers tab, choose macOS under Scheme, and click Apply. Then OK. And there you go, your cursor is now changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps the channel grow. Goodbye.